here we have lots of Muslims, non-Muslims here as well. And how would Islam view them? Like, for example, if they died not on Islam, on Christianity, Judaism, or maybe atheists, would they be judged because they didn't believe in the true, for example, true religion of Islam or such?
Yeah. So you see, if they die on whatever belief they are born into, the question they would be asked would be the same: that did they critically evaluate the voice that came to their ears, which said that there is a final version of the of God's religion? So were they sincere enough to actually have that question answered, at least to their mind? So if they ventured forth and tried to find out what the truth is and if Islam is the correct religion, and even if they came to a negative answer, but they did try, they did make an effort, and for some reason they were not satisfied, or maybe the Muslims themselves, the way they present themselves, became a hindrance for them to accept faith, or there could be a number of reasons. Maybe they could not clearly gauge the message of the Quran in spite of reading it. In that case, of course, they will be given that legitimate excuse in which they will still land, hopefully, inshallah, in paradise. It is a thorough misconception. It's a complete misconception to outright dismiss the fact that no non-Muslim is going to enter paradise. That's not correct. So you see, the people who are sincere in their quest for truth, and even after that sincerity, they land on the wrong side of the truth. But then they tried. So you see, before God, the real thing is how much you tried. The result is not important. For example, if you tried hard and you still remained a Christian, if you tried hard and you still remained a Jew, that should be fine with God, because you see, God is not going to punish you for something that you did not you did not do it. I mean, you if you do reject something deliberately, that is something where God will really take you to task. So if you have been able to do your needful, which is to search, and which, of course, every human being is required to do, then whether you're a Christian or a Jew or any other religion, if you've done your due diligence, then I mean, your fate in the hereafter should be secure. And it is a very common and a popular misconception to say that all Muslims are going to paradise and all non-Muslims are going to hell. In fact, it could be the reverse as well. I mean, many Muslims who don't act according to what they are told, they might end up in hell. And many non-Muslims who have tried their best to find the truth, and they still don't reach the truth, but they've tried their best, because it is the effort which counts. They might end up in paradise.